Hi guys, I'm back with another video. So today's video is just going to be the final review of this hair that I got from an AliExpress company. This hair is from the company ISHOW Hair. They sent me the lengths 22, 22, 24, 24, and a 14-inch closure, and this is in their deep wave texture. So the hair is being modeled here on my mannequin head because I have since removed the hair. I wore the hair from the end of December up until the end of January / like the first week of February, so a little bit over a month. The hair did hold up. It just got very dry, so you have to, I guess, wash and condition your hair a lot, meaning probably wash it every other day with conditioner only, because if you strip the hair using shampoo, it's just going to be dry. Also, you need to keep a spray bottle. It likes to get dry, and when it does get dry, it gets frizzy, so the water activating the curls, brings the curls to life and makes it look nice. Right now, it has just been stored. It hasn't been wet or anything, but you can see in my initial review what it looks like wet. But the curl pattern has definitely held up, and it's still pretty full. It still looks very nice. This is 4 bundles in a closure, and the closure is a side part closure. When I did make this unit, I put it as that the bundles and the closure were all going to be one unit, like a wig. And personally, I wouldn't do it again. I would just have your U part and then put your closure, just because it helps with its longevity, and also it's easier to do versatile styles if you just have your closure separate, because now I can't really ever make it a middle part because it's like to the side and I have it shaped that way. So next time I'll just do it closure separate separate. Pretty much it's held up for a month and like a little over a month, and I'll eventually put it back in, but this is the final review. I did enjoy this hair. I would just say it got very dry, and with that it did shed a lot, but those are pretty much the only cons. Other than that, it's very pretty hair, and I got a lot of compliments on it, and I know my mannequin head, I know she's loving it. Like, yes, girl. Work, bitch. Yeah. So yeah, this is just a quick review. There's nothing much for me to say. I would recommend the hair, even in the lengths that I got. I think they sent me some very nice lengths. All I'm saying is make sure you keep it moisturized and condition it often. Keep a leave-in conditioner at all times so it can keep it moisturized. But don't put a lot so it doesn't wear the hair down and make it dry. But just use an ample amount, and you should have the hair looking pretty bomb, like it's looking. So that is it for the review. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and all of that. If you have any more questions, please leave it down in the comments, and I'll talk to you about this hair in the comment sections. If not, I'll see you guys in my next video.